Hi everyone, welcome back to Cryptomeowtrades. Today we are discussing Ethereum. Many people are concerned about whether ETH can still rise. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, the bearish trend has lasted for a long time since last year. Ethereum has been in a downward trend for over 2 months, with brief rebounds followed by continued declines, forming an even larger bearish structure. So, can it still go up? I want to tell everyone that Ethereum will definitely rise in the future. This is an unstoppable event and the natural law of the market, so there's no need to worry about it. If you want to buy Ethereum for the long term, you should buy it when most people are afraid to buy. What price level are people afraid to buy it? Then anything below 3,000. Many people are resistant to Ethereum at this level, saying it cannot go up anymore. Some will argue that since it has dropped so much already, it's unlikely to rise again. They believe the bull market is over. But history shows that when most people are skeptical or denial, that's exactly when you should buy. If Ethereum eventually reaches 5 or 6,000, many will finally say, Ethereum is definitely going up, the bull market is here, but by then, they would already missed like 100 or 200% gains. Buying at high levels significantly reduce your potential profits. Don't wait for the market to recover before entering. ETH rise is not unstoppable. Well, why I said that? Because do you believe Ethereum will go up in the future? Looking at the monthly and weekly time frame, the answer should be yes. If you believe it won't rise, does that mean Ethereum will just stay at these levels forever, continue declining in if definitely that's 100% impossible. If Ethereum never rises again, then 80 to 90% of the commercial project won't rise either. While some assets may show independent price movement, the sustainability is questionable. Most strong performing projects rely on Ethereum ecosystem, meaning their performance is tied to Ethereum price movement. For most commercial projects to rise, ETH must lead the way. If ETH doesn't rise, then most of the market will remain stuck in a long-term downtrend. This is why you shouldn't be worried. The only thing you need to understand is that Ethereum will inevitably rise in the future. Since Ethereum is bound to rise when we are currently in a bottom phase, why not buy now? Looking at the weekly time frame, the 2000 to 2100 range is a critical support and resistance flip zone. On the daily chart, this was a previous high that broke out, then retests multiple times as support. The market has tested this level again with higher precision, increasing the probability of a bottom formation. However, the market will not likely to reverse immediately. It will consolidate and take time to build a base. If you haven't bought yet, there's still time to prepare and plan your entries. Right now, some may still feel uncertain or skeptical, but in the future, you might regret not buying these at lower levels. This is not a blind faith. ETH is objectively trading with a strong accumulation zone. However, market reversal will take time, and the opportunity to buy will not last forever, so don't miss it. If Ethereum breaks below 2,000, I will definitely go all in. However, my strategy is not buying everything at once, but rather to accumulate in batches at price level I consider attractive. If Ethereum falls below 2,000, I will fully deploy my remaining capital. If it doesn't break below, I will keep some funds reserved in case of future opportunities. Now, let's look at the weekly structure. There's a major resistance level above, and if ETH breaks through, we will enter a wide trading range. Once that happens, the midpoint of this range will become strong supports, making it very difficult for the price to drop again. Ethereum lows are gradually increasing, further confirming the bottom process. If we compare Bitcoin's price expansion on the weekly time frame, it has already completed a 1.32 to 1.68 expansion, where Ethereum has not yet followed suit. If ETH follows the same pattern, its target will be ranged like $6 to $7 to 8,000. Now let's compare Ethereum Bitcoin's market cap to public companies. Bitcoin market cap is 1.92 trillion, making it the seventh largest asset globally. Apple is the first, with the market cap of 3.42 trillion. For Bitcoin to double, it will need to reach 3.8 million, surpassing Apple. This is unlikely unless the global financial environment changes significantly, such as the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, easing inflation, and increasing liquidity. Bitcoin cannot independently sustain a parabolic rally without microeconomic support or macroeconomic support. However, it is different. If market cap is around 300 billion, ranking 40 globally. even if the financial environment remains neutral, Ethereum can still rally 200% to a 900 billion market cap. Ethereum and Bitcoin are the only cryptocurrencies listed at the financial assets on Glasscoin, showing their dominance. This is why it has much more room to grow, and you shouldn't be overly concerned about the long-term performance. In the future, we will see significantly higher prices instead of focusing on daily or weekly fluctuations. Zoom out and look at long-term trend. Whether it's next month, the next 6 months, or a year from now, the long-term trend is upward. Over time, Ethereum low will keep rising and previous bottom zones will turn into strong supports. So today's discussion is not just a belief statement, but rather analysis based on market logic. To summarize, buy Ethereum on dips. There's no need to worry. The market will give you an opportunity to accumulate. This is my personal opinion. For eventually, thank you everyone. And remember to subscribe, comment, and like, and share my channel. Thank you.